All right, so this is a picture of the brown carpet with the purple bleach spot. And this is a polyester carpet that lost mostly yellow, some blue, and a little bit of red as well. So this is how we use the Dyebold app to know what color we need to add to the bleached spot, to know how to fix it, to restore it to the target color, which is the original color. So here I made the target color, which is the unbleached color of the carpet, and then I'm making the current color, which is the damaged area, or in this case, the bleached carpet. All right, so I'm making that basically a reddish purple, a light reddish purple. So you can see I have blue and red. And I'm just going back to the picture to match the color. And then in the kneaded, this is the actual color of dye that we need to restore the purple carpet color back to the original. All right, so I took a screenshot here so I can post it in the group for you guys. And so this app actually gives us how many milliliters of each color.